Currently we have a machine here, which is we integrate with Codabix, and then Codabix send the data to the YGL API, and then the YGL will display them in the in the dashboard. Okay, so here I will show the demo how to works this machine. Actually, this machine is connected with the Omron PLC, and then the Codabix have a protocol which is for Omron and also the Raspberry Pi. If you can see here, we have a machine, and then we have this box. This box actually we have the Raspberry Pi, which is to install the Codabix, and then we have Omron PLC. So this is how our Omron PLC looks like. Okay. So from this machine will insert the data, communicate with the Omron PLC, and then this Omron PLC communicate with this box, which is we have Raspberry Pi. We install the Codabix, and then this Codabix, once the data is changed, so it will send to the YGL API. So we start in monitoring our machine. Start our machine to work. So I place the plate. And if you can see here, we have sensor here. Every sensor, when the plate reach to the sensor, and then the data will be received by the YGL, and we operate it manually in the station 1. Okay, and then YGL is supposed to be receive another signal, which is 0, which is mean that the machine already complete for the station 1, and then we move to station 2. The YGL will receive our signal, means that station 2 start working, start doing the job, and then we start operating. Okay, then station 2 already completed. It means that YGL API will receive the signal that inform this station already completed his job. Then we start with station 3, and Codabix will send the data to the YGL API, means that this station start to working, and then okay, then station 3 complete his work. We start with station 4. Okay, done on. Okay, then we start our station 5. Okay, then we next to station 6. Okay, then we move to station 7. Start the machine. Okay, then we done on the station 7. Okay, we done on the operating on this machine.